this is Sunday Storm Spotter at your nose live. It is currently 20 degrees outside, high of 41 and a low of 13. It's going to be clear until 6 p.m. and then it's going to get cloudy. 20 to 30 mile per hour winds today and gusts up to 45. And because of that, there is a fire weather watch because it is kind of dry. I know it's snow. I mean, there's still snow by us, but the trees are dry, the wood is dry, the house is dry. So if a fire catches, it will spread very, very quickly. We could start another big fire. From noon to the evening, around the evening area. And that's it for today. And I'm cold, so now remember, weather never sleeps.